Namaskar. I am starting this discussion about a rural district in West Bengal called Alipurduar. This district, also called the Queen of Duars. There are many reasons to call Alipurduar the Queen of Duars. Its geographical location is that it is located in the northeast. This remote district is located next to Bhutan and it's bordered by the state of Assam. The speciality of this district is that people of all communities live here, like Mej, Boro, Urao, Rava, Rajbanshi, and many more scheduled caste and tribe communities. Most of the people's livelihood is agriculture. However, there are job seekers and businessmen, but less. The geographical location is so beautiful that this district attracts tourists. Most of the area is inhabited by tea gardens. The region has forests like Chilapata and Joldapara, which are always visited by tourists, and the Boksha Tiger Reserve project is one of most famous places here. Our college, Torai and Duars Special Educational Training College, which is located in a remote village of Alipurduar district. We know that in today's digital age, everything has become easier. Yet, in this rural environment, it was not easy to build schools or colleges for the disabled in rural districts like Alipurduar district, where superstitions are seen as a curse on the disabled in the rural environment. In spite of this difficult situation, the way in which the Shopno Society has overcome various obstacles and seen the face of success today is truly admirable. None of us want any child with a disability mortgage. So, the Shopno Society first took on the task of making the villagers aware through the awareness program. This society was established in 2006, but at that time the society was not in so much publicity. But later, many programs were gradually taken to make the people aware and bring the disabled people back into the mainstream of the society. As a result, 69 students today at Poth School conducted by Sapna Society argue with a variety of vocational education where students are trained to make living by training different type of handicrafts according their skill. But all these people with disabilities need specially trained teachers. The general school also has a special educator for students with disabilities if they are admitted. Keeping that demand in mind, Shopno Society established Torai and Duar Special Educational Training College in 2016. Lots of students from this college have passed special duet. Thank you so much.